We guide you through how to set up domain on Shopify. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Shopify admin dashboard, then go to settings at the bottom left and click domains. If you already bought a domain from another provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap, click Connect Existing Domain, enter your domain name, and follow the instructions to update your DNS settings. Usually, you'll need to point your A record to Shopify IP address and set the C name record to shops.myshopify.com. If you prefer to buy directly from Shopify, click Buy New Domain, search for your desired name, complete the purchase, and it will automatically connect to your store. After connecting, go back to the domain section and set your new domain as the primary domain so customers see it instead of the default My Shopify link. And finally, save your changes, wait for DNS propagation, which can take up to 48 hours, but often updates faster, and test your domain in a browser to make sure it loads correctly.